I can't believe you did that.
Yes.
Hello there, red team.
Dude, I don't know why teams just feels way less chaotic.
That's what I'm saying, man. We can't do teams all the time.
Oh, Raver's got
You almost
kicked.
have the banana.
Damn.
No.
No.
Wait, that's gonna fuck up our points too, probably.
Oh my god, you're right. We shouldn't do teams.
No! Communication error!
Oh no,
Oh my
two of them,
God.
dude. Who's hitting us
On our
offline?
team?
Who?
Okay, I got second at least. I got second.
Someone's hitting us
Dude, come
offline,
on.
dude.
You did really good, Ravers.
AV, it was not my fault that I. It was a friendly fire by accident.
Oh fuck, I swallowed that water wrong.
Oh,
I hate when that happens because then I cough for like 30 seconds.
Sabotage.
Alright, game, the race is over.
Right?
Alright, game, the race is over.
I think it glitched
Uh-oh.
out because Logan
I'm
was
just gonna.
glitched on my screen. Like he's just in the middle of the ocean.
We're about to all communication error out.
Maybe teams weren't meant to be.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there goes.
So I have some news.
Oh?
I can only go to 4 races.
Oh.
Unless you guys want to do 48.
48 full send.
Oh my god, no, no.
48 200.
You want to read through the cup and we won't be on team?
Actually, yeah, that could work.
Rainbow Road only.
Well, if you guys are okay with redoing the Shell Cup, we can go back to Moo.
I'm fine.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll always go back to Moo.
It only took us, 12 minutes to even get that far.
This is solo.
Yeah.
Yeah, unless I chose
I'll
incorrectly.
Moo my ex because I'll always go back.
Oh no, he picked Toad's turn.
Uh-oh.
Wait, I thought we were still doing the order. That's my bad.
Oh no, dude. Because of the connection error, we're just gonna restart it and do it without teams.
Well,
Well, if Toad's Turnpike is picked, we can do like reverse order or something.
Sure.
It's in the same cup,
Mix
so
it
it's
up.
no big deal.
Yeah. We'll spice it up for the viewer.
It's not gonna get chosen though.
No.
Hey, it was mine.
How?
No, we just love this cup so much that we're back in it.
Pretty good cup.
It is. Dude, it sounds like Wario is farting whenever he honks his horn.
It's the only thing I can see in front of me right now.
B. James is getting a big whiff. Oh fuck.
Shut up.
God damn it, everyone stealing my items.
There's so many people in the same exact area.
It's terrible, right?
It's awful.
Oh,
Hey, I think that ramp where you can fly in this one, but I don't know if we use it much.
I just
great. We're going
I don't know
Moo
if it's
Meadows,
faster
no
or not.
items on.
But it gives you coins, so early game it can be used. I don't know the best time to use a mushroom on this map. That's my biggest issue.
Get back here, Iggy Azalea.
No.
I missed
I know it was horrible, dude. NAA. There we go.
Oh my god.
I think. No, I hit you on my screen, and that's how I passed you.
Oh. That was a cheesy bomb.
Someone hit the cow and he flew like 10 feet in the air.
No!
That's my favorite. When someone hits
Dude,
the
I got
Oh,
back.
Ravers, I thought so when I saw you just sitting still.
Back here, Brandon.
No.
Trick!
Dude!
Back
Wait,
here.
I'm in third?
Come on, dude, that's ridiculous.
Dude, Berta, you were still small.
What did you just do? Why did you just ran into the sign?
Kyle, okay.
Oh my
He does
god,
manners.
really?
Watch out for the cow! No!
Yes, thank you, Red Show. What the hell?
What the heck? I hit the cow and he flew to space.
He died.
No!
No, I hit the grass, dude.
Bean?
Hi.
I don't have any items, dude.
I don't know where we're
No!
Oh my god, Bean with the snap.
I
Are you kidding me? I was so busy fighting AB the whole time.
How did I get 7th?
No, Ravers, you missed
Saw
the
you
move.
two fighting and took my chance.
Oh my god. We've been
Oh my god.
good way.
Let's go, Logan.
Moo Meadows is
Good job,
my
brother.
track.
job,
I
Logan.
love that track.
This next one's mine because it came out back in the dinosaur age when I played it.
Dude, my controller drifted. I almost went back to the freaking mushroom cup.
You guys like Joy-Con drift?
This is a pro controller.
Oh no.
I thought those don't drift.
Well,
It's all good, Ravers.
Bye,
Thank
Mine
you
does.
so much for coming out here.
yeah,
Alright,
very glad to
Ravers.
have you join.
Ravers.
Thanks for playing.
Thanks.
You
for
joined us for
watching.
like 7 cups. That's more than enough.
Yeah.
I gotta change setups real quick.
No problem, Reavers. Oh, okay.
Oh no, we're about to
You're
start.
running out of battery.
Yeah, not much
Yeah.
time there. Have a good night, Ravers.
Wait, what did we pick? Okay, whatever. I picked the right one.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm running out of battery.
Alright.
I'm surprised about that first.
Yay!
Wow.
Dude, I'm so fucking
I don't
hungry, man.
like your tone. I'm sure you
Grand Dr.
are. I
Bella.
tend to answer my own references because I know no one will. Oh, both of you have the jetpack.
Yeah, I'm
Like,
so. Oh yeah, dude. This is the bike. This is the one.
Alright, baby, let's make sure Bean doesn't snipe us.
Oh my god. I'm being attacked. I'm being targeted.
Stop it!
I've been fighting it for the last like 4 hours. No, Luke, that was my ammo.
Yo, I'm flying, dude.
It was a point. Brando, it was a point you weren't missing out on, bro.
I saw it was a corner of the map.
I'm like, I hit like a boomerang.
Maybe coming through the side lane?
Yeah. Yo, move, Tourette. I had to hit him. Oh shit. Well, someone else is gonna get this red shell.
Nice,
Awful.
Alex, I didn't do that, but I saw
You can
that.
blame Tourette for that being.
Points when you already have-
What do you mean? I didn't,
What?
Oh,
Uh-oh, Wario, what happened?
Dude. No!
Oh no, Wario.
Hey,
Peach
Logan.
doing that piranha plant. Thank you so much.
I
no
timed
cry.
that frame perfect for the red shell. Oh my god.
I'm gonna just do a little thing.
Nice. Keep hitting each other, guys. Keep hitting each other.
How did
Second
that
to
stop
7.
anyone? Oh my
Alright, see you.
god.
Can I stop getting points, please? I have plenty. Oh my god.
Sorry, I had to be a jerk.
I gotta come back to the clutch. Sorry for being a prankster. That's my item. I think that's it.
The third lap. Come on. Screwed.
Dude, no way I'm gonna come up like this.
Oh my god.
Sorry, you took my item. Good, well played.
I'll take that.
Come on, come on, come on. Yes.
Oh, you hit me over the finish line.
Damn it.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Bro, I was close.
I somehow made it back to 4th.
Yeah, how did you do it?
I just got a bunch of boost items, really.
Nice.
We're taking a second vacation.
Let's go to the beach, beach.
In Minky.
Get it away.
What other good sunshine voice noises are there? My team.
You guys are still gonna win.
That's what they're saying, dude, on the sidelines.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Water-
you can hear them. I remember water parkers notes, and they're like, "Let me out!" Oh god. I said it was the no keys, but I accidentally did the shopkeeper dude that gives you the trades the blue coins.
True.
Fat ass raccoon.
Oh,
The guy that I never saw very often.
Oh.
second notification about battery.
Oh god.
Love it.
I'm on the clock.
Oh god.
You gotta remember, you gotta remind us
Speedrun
after
time.
grade.
Speedrun time.
Run speed time. Sorry.
Yeah, just let me win real quick.
Different and quirky, man.
Mine.
Ew.
On my list of
I've
things.
never said that out loud before, and now I
Thank
just
you.
feel so much
So,
worse
I was
about
like,
myself.
that was a very interesting plan.
Eat this.
Who's gonna get this red shell? It's you.
Damn it!
Shout out to that motorcycle.
Well, what the hell did I
200
just-
miles an hour outside my window.
Ooh.
Until you get to your destination safely.
What in the world?
Bro, they're
Wow.
gonna get there in record time.
I can't believe that. I've never heard a motorcycle go that fast before. That's expecting
I'm back,
me.
Brandon.
We're going zipping quick.
Ah, banana.
Oh, mine.
I almost ate that red shell you had.
Oh, that was a horrible placement.
Watch out, guys.
I knew
I
this was
stunted
coming.
off the side of that ramp.
Aviation is struggling from success. Like,
Dude, what the hell, Lakitu? God damn it.
Oh!
I didn't deserve that.
That. Yep, mine. Revenge.
Oh, nice, a red shell.
Why did I just jump?
That happened to me earlier, dude. Just randomly in the middle of the sand.
Ah, crap.
It's fucking up my drifts.
What?
Yeah,
I didn't
You're
hit
just gonna
that?
banana.
And then I hit my own nanner?
Keep changing, dude. Wario hopping.
I was gonna hit the wall, dude.
No! Ah,
Bro, imagine if
Wow.
Yeah, this time with boomerang spreads.
wow.
I hate boomerangs so much.
No.
Matt, it's us, top two, baby. Let's
Not
go.
for long.
You gotta hit them with your pro.
Matt, what am I doing behind you?
I ate all those bananas.
Oh. There we go.
You don't even
Bullet bill or
know
nothing.
how clenched my toes are right now. I've
Dude,
never
I-
seen the word first on my screen.
Palms are sweaty. No, I took a bullet for you, Matt. No.
Come here,
I
Matt.
got the one.
Oh my god.
I couldn't even prep the green shell.
God
Kill
damn
this
it.
man.
Let's go!
You know the biggest throw I've ever known?
Oh, you're being
Such
such
a
a-
failure. I feel like such a failure.
I got munched.
It's always last second.
Biggest throw my entire life, dude.
The fucking clutch.
All right, now this time.
Toad's
we're gonna
Turnpike.
play
I love Toad's Turnpike, dude.
Toad's Turnpike. This one, it's baby mode on the Switch, dude. They added the little parts where you could drive on the walls now.
But it's because I grew up with 64, so I played this map a lot.
Yeah, I don't think I like this one.
That's fair.
64's mirror mode of this one is a nightmare, guys. They make the traffic
Oh, yeah.
only drive towards you.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it trained me when I was
Plus,
a young,
there's no,
young
there's
child.
no anti-grab, there's no flying.
I definitely prefer the other city maps in Mario Karts.
Dude,
That's
where
fair.
is Mushroom City?
I know, man. With the
I am
Wiggler
asking
car.
Once again.
We need the return of the Wiggler car. Or
Bro,
bus.
imagine on teams, everybody was a wiggler and you could link up and then the drift would just be exponentially wider.
Like a conga line.
Like a train.
I will never
Like
use that
Tokyo
card.
Drift on the Polar Express.
The one
I
problem
hate
is
that
getting
movie.
AB to use that damn wiggler.
Somehow I knew you would. Is it because of the animation style?
Probably.
Dude, those
I
are
think-
my coins.
I think it
Star.
also made me fall asleep. Don't pass me. I have a red shell. So just let me stay in first.
He does. Dude, it doesn't matter. I got hit with the
Ah,
red shell anyways,
car.
AB.
Oh god, watch out.
I was an idiot and wasted my red or my mushroom.
Brando, I took a bullet for you because you took a bullet for me.
Oh, I just hit his bus.
Oh, that was
Did you
for me.
see that? I
Come
ran
on!
face first into a truck.
Looks like it's gonna be another chill map.
Wario. Watch out, Fred is on the trail.
The turtle.
I hit one corner and I went.
I'm watching, brother.
second, Fucking 11.
Ah,
I need
bus!
some coins, dude. That's why I'm behind.
Oh, she's tossing shit at me.
Has anyone gotten the crazy 8 item?
No.
I
Yeah,
have.
I've gotten it a couple of times because I'm not good.
I've gotten 3.
First in a while.
Dang. Come on, man. I couldn't do nothing about that.
Die,
And someone
Bucky.
stole my nanners.
Fly, man.
Oh, there's a crazy eight.
God damn
Oh
it.
god, the traffic.
Oh, this is not what I needed.
Oh my god. Awful.
Oh god, blooper on this level's actually kind of good.
Yeah, that's what I was
God.
gonna say, dude.
That's cool too.
Oh, thank god there was no traffic. I got blooper.
Yo, how'd you catch up?
Dude, I play this map.
Get him, Rendo. Bring him back to our level.
God damn it. No. Not again.
Oh god.
Uh
Corbin.
oh.
Not at the end!
Let's go! Someone got hit!
No, it was me.
Let's go!
I was in first. I'm in.
Justin, where'd you come from?
I can't believe you did that.
Dude, I got blue shelled
go,
at the end of
dude.
the last lap. I got
I
Mario
can't
Kart.
believe you threw your boomerang back at me after you already won and
Oh.
your victory was secured and you thought it was a good idea to do that.
I did so
Dude, I
bad.
gotta get rid of my items, man. I can't hold them. There's no,
No,
point.
you don't. You chose violence.
Turn back.
Well, that brings it
God.
into the chaotic
Son of a
shell
bitch.
cup for real this time.
I'm doing better than I was before.
I'm not. AB chose violence.
We'll
Sorry,
see you
brother, it
guys
had to
back
happen.
here for my
You're not
worst
sorry.
enemy.
Don't even talk.
You're right.
The
It just
Nander
had to
Cup.
happen.
See you guys for the
There we
Nander
go.
Cup.